In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund check from a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing refunds for returned goods or correcting an overpayment, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to track and document these transactions accurately. Properly recording a vendor refund ensures your financial records stay up to date and helps you maintain an organized accounting system. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This button is your starting point for creating any kind of transaction in QuickBooks. After clicking it, you'll see a drop-down list with multiple transaction options. From this list, select the Check option. This tells QuickBooks that you're recording a check payment, which is exactly what we need for a vendor refund. Next, you'll need to search for and select the vendor who will be receiving the refund. In the Payee field, start typing the vendor's name, and QuickBooks will suggest matching names from your vendor list. Once you see the correct vendor, click on their name to select them as the payee. After selecting the vendor, it's time to choose the bank account from which the refund will be drawn. You'll see a field where you can select one of your linked accounts. Pick the account that matches where the money is coming from. Now, scroll down to the Category Details section. This is a critical part of the process because it's where you'll categorize the refund. In the Category field, select the appropriate account category. For most refund scenarios, you might use an account like Refund Account or another similar category that matches how your business tracks refunds. Be sure to choose the category that aligns with your accounting setup. Once your category is selected, you can add a description for the transaction. This step is optional, but it's a good habit to include a brief explanation. For example, you could write something like "Refund to customer" for returned goods. Adding a description makes your records clearer and easier to understand later. Now move to the Amount field and input the exact refund amount. Double-check this figure to ensure it matches the amount being refunded to the vendor. Finally, when everything looks correct, click the Save and Close button. This action will finalize and record the transaction in QuickBooks Online. Your vendor refund is now properly documented, and your financial records remain accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.